Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to make naturally hair oil for all the problem we have with hairs. So we have noticed that we are having dandruff issues, we are having hair fall issues and lice issues, and also there are so much of issues. So we are going to uh, reduce that all problem by using this hair oil. This oil will hydrate the hairs, it nourishes your hairs, it prevents hair fall, and also it improves hair growth. Also it reduces dandruff, it strengthens to your roots. So first of all, here I am having onions. As you all know guys, an onion is high in sulfur content. Onion helps to reduces the breakage and thickens our hairs. Onion pulp can nourish our hair follicles and replenish the nutrition you have lost from your scalp. It is mainly having antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that will help to prevent scalp infection. So for onions, first I am going to cut it into small pieces and I will wash it in water. I want to make it best. So whatever the things we are using, we have to wash and then only we have to use. So you can cut it into any of this shape, no matters. Just we are going to grind this one. So my second ingredient is here garlic. As you all know guys, garlic is having antimicrobial properties that can help to kill the germs and bacteria which are responsible for causing damaging the scalp also. Further inhibiting hair growth. Raw garlic is rich in vitamin C content that is great for promoting hair health. It is also boost collagen production. It helps to stimulate hair growth. So the same thing, I am going to wash this onion first and then I will wash garlic. Here I have taken a blender. See guys, I am going to wash this garlic also. I have peeled this garlic. I have not used with the peels. I have removed the peel. So my next ingredient is, my third ingredient is curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidant. These antioxidants moisturize the scalp and also remove the dead hair follicles. Apart from that, curry leaves are beneficial for the hair since they are high in beta carotene and protein content, which are instrumental in preventing hair loss and thickens our hairs. So my third ingredient is here curry leaves. Here I am taking all the quantities guys. Here I have taken 2 onions and handful of garlic, and here handful of curry leaves. So I will wash it this and then I will add it in a blender. See guys, I had washed and I have transferred everything into a blender. So now I am going to grind this. In this, one main thing is we should not add water. We should add, if required water, we should add mustard oil. Here I have having pure mustard oil from Fortune. You can use any of the brand whichever is available in the market. Here I am using Fortune. If required, we have to add only oil. We should not add water in it. See guys, here I am going to blend it. In this I am going to add just 2 spoons of mustard oil. Don't think guys I am going to make any chutney or anything. Just this is I am going to make it for hair oil. Here I am taking 2 spoons of mustard oil. See guys, I have grinded well and it is completely fine paste. So come, let's go and make the oil. To make this oil, here I am using iron kadai, as I have told you before also. I have told you guys, iron is good for our hairs. Iron is good for our hairs. It produces hemoglobin in your blood Hemoglobin carries oxygen from the growth and repairs the cells in your body, including cells that stimulates the hair growth. With treatment, you can help preserve both the iron deficiency as well as for the hair loss. So here I have taken one iron kadai. Try to do it this oil by using a iron kadai only. So I am going to add all this mixture in it. First of all, keep it in a low flame, and then in this I am going to add 100 ml of mustard oil, which is Fortune mustard oil. So, and then as you all know guys, mustard oil may stimulate hair growth by increasing blood circulation in the scalp. It contains protein, a major component of hair, and omega-3 fatty acid. These two nutrients may nourish your hair. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of the oil may prevent scalp infection as well as the hair loss also. So my next ingredient is organic raw virgin coconut oil. Same quantity of 1 cup of virgin coconut oil. Here I am going to add in it. Coconut oil will moisture our hairs and it will give growth to our hairs and it will give strength to our scalp. Just rotate your spatula. Try to use wooden spatula and iron kadai for making this oil. See guys, first I will keep it in a high flame, and then you have to, after 2 to 3 minutes, you have to keep the flame in a low. See guys, our oil is ready to switch off the flame and it is cooked well. For first 1 to 2 minutes you have to keep it in a high flame and then you have to lower your flame. See, you can see the bubbles. See, now our oil is ready to. So I am going to switch off the flame. Let it be cooled down and then I will tell you what next, then what we have to do. See guys, now my oil is completely cooled down. You can see the color of this. It is in green color because I have added in it few curry leaves. So now I am going to strain this one with the help of a strainer. You can strain with a Muslim cloth also. See guys, I have strained it. And one more thing, don't throw this one. You can use this one by adding some yogurt in it and then apply as a hair mask. This also will be works. See guys, my oil is ready to use. I will transfer this into a airtight container, and then you can store this oil minimum 3 to 4 months. It will be good, nothing to worry. And then you just need to apply this oil on your scalp and leave it for 1 hour and then you can wash it off. Regularly using this oil, you can see your hair fall issue, dandruff issue, all issues will be sorted out. I hope you all like my video. No, sorry. One more ingredient which I have forgot to add in it, that is Evian capsule, which is good for our hairs and skin as well as. So here I am going to add 3 Evian capsule. Here I am having 400 mg Evian capsule. It is very easy to buy from the chemist. There is a vitamin E oil also, it's getting separately. You can use that also, or else you can use Evian capsule also. Here I am taking 3 capsules. See guys, I have added 3 capsules in it. Now it is ready to use. Whenever you are using this oil, you need to just make it warm, and then you can start applying on your scalp, and then you can see the result by yourself. You will get the result only when if you are trying this remedy. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members. Meet you in next video. Bye bye.